Hi, in this video I want to demonstrate how we made year updating automatically year by year and not doing it manual. I demonstrate it how to do it in Elementor Pro, who has Elementor Pro, because it's much easier to set up. If you don't have Elementor Pro, I also demonstrate it. So I think the video will be very short. My name is Yevhen, I am WordPress developer, and let's go. So first part, it is like I will do with Elementor Pro, and I prepared article for you where you can check everything step by step how to do it. Now it's only for Elementor Pro, but after this video I will update for who has only Elementor, not Pro version license. Yes, so we go to footer, because I have Elementor Pro on my website and I can do it much easier with in my footer. We opening footer, we go down, and here we have this one, and I copy, and here icon dynamic tag. In dynamic tag we can pick current date time, because it demonstrates which time now exists. And we just need to set up date format custom, and here pick year. That's all. And now it's automatically come back year which now exists, and with years it will be updating automatically. And we need click advance for adding more information which we need text before and after. So before we need this part, after we need what after. It's pretty easy. Yeah, and important, keep spaces, because if I remove, in theory it will be like one word with yeah. Do you see? It's small detail but important. And fallback, it's if something wrong with come back here, what text demonstrate. And by default I demonstrate this one, my original text, because if something wrong with date, not be empty to fill out something there. Yeah, and I publish, and in this case it will be dynamic updating always. Yeah, so it's very easy, very fast. If we don't have Elementor Pro, it's more complex case, but we have solution as well. So imagine I have website and I want to do here dynamic as well this year. So I go to plugins and I need install this plugin. Let's imagine I remove it and add plugin, WPCode, install. It's for inserting snippets, etc., and what we do as well. We install it, we go to code snippets, here code snippets, I click add new, add your custom code, and here very important, pick PHP snippet, not HTML, text, etc., PHP. I set up here, for example, and here I paste this shortcode. It means like when I write year, it will come back our now year, which is exists now. I click here active, and I click save snippet. It's very important, because if you not activate it, it will not work. Okay, so now we go to our website. Imagine we have header and footer, not from Elementor Pro, just from extra plugin who help with header and footer. If you need help with header and footer, custom header and footer, I have video on my channel as well how to set up it. So we open footer, and let's just check. For example, I save this year for C different. Yes, and now what I need just paste year. It means like shortcode and it's this one what we created in code. Publish. It's not a problem that here is visible like this one, but if I reload here, I see here this one. Do you see? So it's very easy, very fast. I'm sure you can do it also. Everything step by step. I just create a snippet, paste here, and my shortcut this one name. I come back here. That's all. So I think it's very easy. I'm sure that you can do it as well. See you in next video.